Hello guys, welcome to a new video on YouTube, and today we are going to do a video that the people is asking for it for a long time. It's how I make my own shading, my own gray wash. So the only thing that we need is the black pigment and a mixer. If you are going to practice in a fake skin, I don't advise you that buy in the market a professional mixer, okay? This is only when you are going to do some people because it has some ingredients to goes down the swollen or goes down the red skin. But if we are going to make for practice in fake skin, just with distilled water or normal water would be enough, okay? So let's go to see how we make the proportion, okay? Let's go. Okay guys, so first step is to put the stick with Vaseline. So right now we are counting that we are going to use basic materials. So it will be stupid to spend to use, for example, tattoo butter, professional, to make tattoos in fake skin. So right now we can use the basic base material, so like Vaseline and normal ink to make or to practice and start to learn. So, but the real thing important right now is how to fix good our cup to the table. So it's very easy. Just take the cup, take a little bit Vaseline, and then you can put and press a little bit. Then this cup is very strong. You can see it's very difficult that you can throw away with the machine. And then we are going to do exactly the same with the rest. And then we are going to see how we make the mix with the shading and make. Okay guys, so I'm going to give you one tip. I think it's very important, okay? Because normally we buy the inks, the pigment, like black, red and white, and normally we don't move enough, okay? It's very important to move enough because we want can you hear this? So this is the two small metal pieces that it has, just for to be sure that you make a very good mixing between the diluent with the pigment. So my advice is move very good, because you like this you will have a very good tone. If you don't move enough, you will be tattooing just with the diluent. So let's go to see. And remember, so the first one is going to be pure black. The second one, the second one going to be 3/4 ink and 1/4 water. The second one of the medium tone going to be 50-50. The third one or the light tone going to be 3/4 water and 1/4 ink. And then we will make another one. Will be just 2 or 3 drops of black, and the rest will be full of water. But this is very useful because normally you are going to feel that the light tone is a little bit darker. Okay guys, so right now we are going to make an example. So you can see here in this piece of fake skin that I put the EL, so it's extra light, L, light, medium and dark. And then we are going to make a little bit space of shading, and then you can see the difference of the tones. Very surface movement, okay? You can see the movement is very like brush a little bit, is very surface. This is the extra light tone, and then when we clean it, so we will have just a little bit dark tone. So it's a very soft, you know. You can see. So this is almost nothing. Okay guys, so we saw how we can make our own shading and it works very good. You can see the result. So we learned the techniques, how we have to mix it. Okay, 3/4, 1/4, 50/50 and 1/4, 3/4. Also, we made an extra light tones that is very useful when we want to go with careful growing up our shading. But I think the real important thing is that you know that you have to, so it would be very nice if you prepare your own models and you have to use the syringe, because with this always you will make the perfect measure and you will have always the same tone. So prepare your own models, dark, medium, light, extra light, light, whatever you want, okay? And keep it, and then you always have the same tone and the same result. So I hope this was useful for you, and if you are happy with this video, comment, leave a like, and then share if you want, okay? Take care, see you soon. Bye bye.